LendingTree Review, my honest experience with the loan marketplace. When you're shopping for a loan, it can feel like entering a maze of rates, banks, and fine print. LendingTree claims to simplify that by letting you compare multiple lenders at once. I tested it myself, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume LendingTree is a direct lender, but the surprising truth is it's not. It's a marketplace that connects you with real banks and lenders based on your credit profile. Think of it as the Expedia of loans. I started by filling out a short online form. It took about 5 minutes. I entered my loan type, income, and credit range. Within seconds, LendingTree showed several personalized offers, from mortgages and personal loans to credit cards and refinancing options. What I liked most was the transparency. Each offer listed the interest rate, term, and estimated monthly payment, so I could compare easily without committing to anything. I received follow-ups from 3 lenders, and within 24 hours, I had actual pre-qualification results. However, here's the catch: you may get multiple calls or emails after applying. It's a bit overwhelming, but that's the trade-off for having access to real lenders quickly. In terms of accuracy, the rates were close to what lenders offered later during full applications. That level of consistency builds trust, especially for people exploring their options before applying officially. In conclusion, LendingTree delivers on its promise. It saves time, provides a clear comparison of loan offers, and helps you make informed financial decisions. Just be ready for a few extra phone calls. For anyone seeking better rates or loan transparency, it's a tool that truly makes borrowing smarter.